Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS Dashcam. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of device. Right here we can find company logo, model version and basic specification of device. REDTIGER F17 PLUS supports voice control, Starvis 2.7K plus 1080p 4-channel camera. Let's take a look at the side of this device. Here we've got same specification, and on the bottom we can find trademarks and more about company. On the other side we can find additional information like Wi-Fi support, 3-inch touch screen and G sensor. Now let's remove the foil from the packaging and take the device out of the package. Okay, I removed the foil. Now let's leave the top of the box. Firstly, we can find the basic scheme of the buttons. And next, we can find the camera itself, rear camera, user manual and electrostatic stickers, rear camera cable, power supply cable, tool, adhesive sticker and cable clips. Thanks to this tool, you can organize the cable. And here is the connection cable. Now, let's take a look at the cameras. Here we've got two lenses rear camera, which can be adjusted. The camera has USB-C port, and sticker method of attachment. And now the main course, which is the front camera with the touch screen. As you can see, this camera has two USB-C ports. One is for the rear camera connection, one is for the power supply. Here we've got the adhesive sticker, thanks to which we can attach camera to front windshield. Here we've got the adjustable lens, analog, thanks to which we can navigate through many of the camera, and buttons: power button, menu button, left button, right button, OK button. On the right side of the camera we can find serial number, QR code. On the left side we can find reset hole and SD card slot. SD card slot is included and has 128 gigabytes of memory. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.